open again. I noticed last night the famous Elvis bar in Relagos. It opens at about 5 o'clock, something like that. If you fancy putting on your ball gown, tuxedo and having a cocktail. Today I'm going to be going possibly as far as Bercianos, deeper into the Meseta, and hopefully meeting some lovely pilgrims on the way.
Get out, but our time is running out. Ooh, bye bye love, you don't know. Ooh, bye bye love, 'cause you don't know what my dreams are like and where I wanna go with.
Here in Sahagun, walking backwards as you know, and I found a nice little very quiet confiteria for a nice quiet coffee and a little bit of cake and pilgrims!
Kicking round dust, you're alone around the run. Well, I can see the fire still in your shadow. None of it is gone. I'm a believer, keeping the hope you need. You don't wanna load it onto my shoulders to carry all of your fears, but I can dry your tears, 'cause you make it all through the day. Ooh, 'cause you make it all through the day. Ooh, looking for